Screen time is a term for when someone is using their device. It is mainly used to express how much time they spend in their device. Being in the 21st century, the rise of technology advancing, one of those being gadgets, has led to many of the youth having them.
Too much screen time, it can lead to a dangerous cycle for kids.
Yeah, so no surprise to anyone, kids are spending more and more time on devices for their homework and messaging their friends and, of course, entertainment. But a new study by the American Psychological Association found that spending too much time on screens can lead to anxiety, depression, aggression, and hyperactivity. And then children experiencing social emotional problems are more likely to turn to screens to help them cope, which, of course, then becomes a vicious cycle. Now, in this analysis, gaming was associated with higher risks compared to educational and recreational screen use. In the end, they say parents may want to monitor and control what their kids are doing on their devices and provide emotional support if needed, not just have restrictions.
You've never come on here and said, more screen time, parents.
I sure have.
Right.
Proper screen time is a term people are not fully familiar with, but is very important. It lets yourself have a balance online and offline life. But not having a managed screen time will lead to a bad habit